Today we got a video from A Matter of Crime, and the title of the video is 2-year-old found wandering 4th floor, mother arrested.
You left a 2-year-old by herself and you went to the store and then we found her on the 4th floor with a joint and a lighter in her. You not see a big issue in that?
Yeah, but the joint won't last.
Does it matter?
A concerned neighbor called 911 after noticing a baby wandering on the 4th floor of an apartment building, wearing only a diaper. To make matters worse, the young child was found holding marijuana and a lighter.
What?
Officers arrived quickly and ensured the child's safety.
Okay, so you don't know where her mom stays?
No.
So how do you know her? Huh?
This is my little cousin. She was just in the hallway.
But you don't know where her mom stays?
Come on, put your feet in.
And how long was it?
I just got here, so I just seen her in the hallway.
Because it's like 3:10.
Yeah, I
So
just
maybe
got
like
here.
3 o'clock?
Yeah.
so?
Put your feet in, Mama.
Have you ever seen this little girl before?
Put your feet in, Mama. Oh yeah, we found this in the baby hand.
The young woman reached into her pocket and pulled out 2 marijuana joints that had been in the baby's hands when the child was found.
We found this in the baby hand.
Does she live on the 1st floor at least, you know?
No, I don't know.
You don't know? You've never been around? So you just went in the hallway and just saw her there? Or she came to your house?
The baby was upstairs.
Upstairs on the floor?
I think in the 4th floor of the other building.
In the north building?
Yeah, over there.
Nah, what she's saying ain't making sense. Hold on.
Do you have her cousin's phone number?
I don't have my phone. That's some shit that I didn't go get.
You don't know about her either, right?
No.
Are you looking for somebody? The 2-year-old? Oh, there we go. Here go mom.
Oh, that's my sister.
Huh?
That's my sister.
Alright. Who's your sister?
This one.
The baby's your sister?
That's my sister.
That's what I'm saying. They found her on the 4th floor by herself, wandering the hallway.
She don't stay with me. That's not her birthday. She was with her mom.
That's what I'm saying. What's her mom?
I don't know.
You don't know her mom lives
either?
either?
I don't talk to my mom.
This is confusing. Where they at in the project?
You live here? Yeah. So where's the mom? Where's the mom? Mom. Yeah. I don't know. So who's watching the baby?
Oh, come on now. Come on now. Nobody don't know nothing. The one girl that's holding her that said, oh, she had the joint, and she said that's her cousin. But you don't know where the chick is at, where the mom at. You don't know where she stay. Now the sister come out talking this bullshit, and now he talking about where's the mom at? I don't know. Well, come on now. There's a little child here that's being, come on, y'all gotta cut that out. That street code shit. Yeah, I understand what y'all trying to do, but come on, bruh. Y'all, somebody is in control of this child, and somebody ain't doing their goddamn job. That shit is irritating.
But you live here. Yeah, was the baby with you? Wait a minute. Was the baby with you?
No. Some lady brought the baby. Some lady.
Who was the baby with?
That's what we don't know.
What's the mom to you? What's the mom to you?
She's my niece.
Your niece. What's her name?
Erin.
But she does not stay with you.
No.
So why is her address here?
What address?
Her address for the building states that she lives here.
She up there.
So they found a little baby on the 4th floor. Just
The
wandering.
young lady is something. We go tell a lady. Find the girl. On the floor with a half a joint and a lighter. So she brought her down here to my house. Cause she know that's.
Yeah, I understand that. Yeah, I understand that. We have the baby here.
Yeah.
We're trying to find the mom.
And when you
Do you know an address on the 4th floor that the mom stays at?
No.
The address somewhere else in this building that the mom stays at.
Really?
Do you know the mom?
Huh?
The mom is Erica. That's your niece.
That's my niece. But we like this.
Are you guys missing a child? Okay. 1110 and 1114.
She doesn't live there.
444.
Alan's going to the fourth floor.
No.
So her mother does not live here.
No.
Yeah, what's up?
Yours mother lives here?
No, her mom.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to
My
find
mother,
her.
what you trying to do, right?
Where she lives.
They be visiting. She's coming over here.
So I mean, if you want to come looking,
Right, in the other
help us look.
I don't talk to my mom. So she would have been at my house if I was talking to my mom, but I don't talk to my mom. So they supposed to be at 444 in the other building. That's the thing.
Stephanie is who they reside under.
Is Stephanie the mother of this child? Okay.
And mom's name is Erica.
So we're looking for Erica.
No, I have not.
Who's the mother of this child?
Erica.
So we're looking for Erica.
Yeah.
And you don't know what address she lives in.
She stayed with Erica. Why you got my baby?
Is your name Erica? Your baby was wandering the whole building by itself. Who did you leave the baby in custody of?
Somebody called, Mom. Hold on. They said it was
Wait a minute.
We're not doing that. We're not doing that.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
All right, let me talk to you. Your mom, right? Let me talk to you. You got ID on you? Who did you leave the baby in custody of?
I had just went to the store and they come right back. She was in the house sleep. I've been gone 5 minutes.
Who though? Who was in the house?
Nobody.
So you left a 2-year-old.
She was asleep.
No, listen.
I understand.
You left a 2-year-old by herself while you went to the store. Why didn't you tell anybody? You have family downstairs.
I had called, I knocked on the door of the neighbor. I told her to keep an eye on her.
All right, we're gonna have a big issue, all right?
What's the problem?
You left a 2-year-old by herself and you went to the store and then we found her on the 4th floor just wandering with a joint and a lighter in her. Do you not see a big issue in that?
Yeah, but the joint went mine.
Doesn't matter. You left a 2-year-old in her house by herself. Do you not see the issue in that?
Yeah.
I already notified her face.
You called him?
Yeah, it's gonna be something else.
Yeah. Tell him we're probably gonna need a detective out here. You have ID in there?
Wow. Unbelievable. I understand why he mad. That's insane.
No, hey. Oh no.
Who's that?
The neighbor across the street. They never been across the hall.
Did you talk to her and tell her to come over to the house?
Yes, I did.
So was there somebody with your daughter
Yes.
in the house when
Yes.
you left the house?
Yes.
You didn't just say that.
I said I left her with the neighbor across the hall. That's what I
No,
said.
you said I left her because she was sleeping
Yeah,
by
I knocked on
herself.
the door.
in
I
the
knocked on
house.
the door and I said, "They're telling you, I went to the store, watch her right there." She said,
No,
"Okay."
that's not you can't do
That's
that.
two different things.
If she didn't come to your house and say, okay, I'm gonna watch your daughter, you can't just say, hey, I'm leaving the house, my daughter's in the room, and then you don't know if she went over or not. What if someone else went entered the house? You see what I'm saying?
You're screwed. That's a fact.
So what's going to happen?
We're just talking to our sergeant and see how he wants to go about it.
You going to jail.
When you first interacted with the child, what happened?
So I just got, what time is it?
3:39.
Okay, I got here around like 3 something. And I came to visit one of my cousins and we were just talking or whatever. Then somebody came and knocked on the door.
What apartment were you at? On the first floor?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And someone came and knocked on the door and said what?
That the baby had drugs in her hand. And they
Describe the drugs.
weed, like a little blunt. So,
How did you know it was a blunt?
The lady had said it.
The mother was charged with child neglect and child endangerment. Fortunately, the child was placed in the care of a family member and was safe for the night. The mother, however, had to spend several nights in jail.
You can't make this stuff up, man. This is crazy. That's insane. That's insane. I'm not even gonna lie to you. These people are nuts, man. You leave a 2-year-old? Two? Man, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. To go to the store, you could have took that kid with you, man. Kid seemed well behaved and everything. It wasn't whining, nothing. I ain't hear it talking all crazy or nothing. Kid seemed good to me. Whatever, man. I understand the cop's frustration, man. I'm giving the cop 4 out of 5, man. Yeah, they did the right thing, man. But yeah, everybody trying to cover for everybody, man. Y'all don't know where she stay at and all of that. Come on, man. Yeah, that's insane. That's insane.